Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Now let's talk about sleep. It's not just a time for sweet dreams or nightmares, it's a fundamental necessity for our overall health and optimal brain function. Sleep is not an indulgence. It's as vital to our daily routine as eating or breathing. It's our body's time to rejuvenate and our mind's moment to consolidate and process information. So what happens when we deprive our bodies and brains of this essential rest? Scene script. First, let's explore how sleep deprivation affects our physical health. Sleep isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity. When we don't get enough, our bodies suffer. One of the most immediate effects is on our immune system. Without adequate rest, our body's defenses weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. But it doesn't stop there. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to more serious health problems. It increases the risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. During sleep, our heart and blood vessels undergo repair and healing. Without enough sleep, this crucial process is disrupted, leading to conditions like high blood pressure and heart disease. Similarly, sleep plays a significant role in regulating our blood sugar levels. Lack of sleep can cause our body's insulin response to go haywire, increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that people who regularly get less than 6 hours of sleep per night are at a significantly higher risk of diabetes than those who sleep 7 to 8 hours. And let's not forget about obesity. Sleep deprivation disrupts our body's balance of hunger and fullness hormones, ghrelin and leptin. When we're sleep deprived, our body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, and less leptin, the hormone that tells us we're full. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. But that's not all. Sleep also plays a vital role in growth and repair. During sleep, our body releases growth hormones that help repair cells and tissues. This process is particularly important for children and teens who are still growing. Without enough sleep, this crucial process is hindered, potentially affecting growth and development. Clearly, our bodies pay a heavy price when we skimp on sleep. But what about our brains? Now, let's turn our attention to the effects of sleep deprivation on our brain. It's a topic that's been extensively researched, and the findings are eye-opening to say the least. Firstly, lack of sleep hampers our memory. During a good night's rest, our brain undergoes a process called memory consolidation. It's akin to a librarian sorting and storing books, where our brain sorts and stores our experiences and learning from the day. But with insufficient sleep, this process is interrupted, leading to impaired memory. Next, there's creativity. This isn't just about being able to paint a masterpiece or write a symphony. Creativity is crucial for problem-solving and innovative thinking in our daily lives. Sleep deprivation can stifle this, leaving us struggling to think outside the box. How about concentration? Well, it's no surprise that staying alert becomes a Herculean task when we're running on empty. Simple tasks can suddenly seem daunting and our productivity takes a hit. This can impact our work, our studies, and even our relationships. Then there's the increased risk of mental health disorders. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to conditions such as anxiety and depression. The brain needs time to recharge, to process emotions and experiences. Without it, our mental well-being can be seriously compromised. Finally, let's talk about brain detoxification. While we sleep, our brain is busy cleaning up, flushing out toxins that have accumulated throughout the day. This includes beta amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. Without sufficient sleep, these toxins can build up, potentially leading to long-term neurological disorders. It's clear that sleep deprivation can seriously damage our brain health. But how can we ensure we're getting enough quality sleep? Finally, let's discuss some strategies for improving sleep quality and duration. Sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. The first step towards better sleep is establishing a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up. Next, create a restful environment. This could mean keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if needed. Your bed should be comfortable and your room free of distractions. Now let's talk about what to avoid. Consuming caffeine close to bedtime can wreak havoc on your ability to fall asleep. It's best to avoid coffee, tea, and other caffeinated beverages at least 6 hours before bedtime. Also, consider limiting your use of electronics before bed. The light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Try to switch off your devices at least an hour before you plan to sleep. Lastly, if you're still having trouble sleeping, don't hesitate to speak with a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying issues and provide tailored advice. By prioritizing sleep, we can safeguard our physical health, boost our brain function, and enhance our overall well-being. In today's video, we've covered the significant effects of sleep deprivation on our health and brain. We've discussed the physical and cognitive implications and shared valuable tips for better sleep. Remember, a good night's sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.